How to change your Facebook password. This is a pretty new update on Facebook in case you want to change your Facebook password. If you found this video helpful, please consider to subscribe and give this video a like. On Facebook, navigate to the top right corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Then proceed to scroll down until you locate settings and privacy and tap on it. Then continue to tap on settings. So this will drop you to an interface like this. Make sure to tap on Meta Account Center. Under Meta Account Center, when you scroll down a bit, you could see password and security. Proceed to tap on it. In order for you to change your password on Facebook, make sure to select on change password. Then continue to choose the account that you want to make the changes to. In this case, I'm going to select the first one. So you have the option to enter your current password, then enter the new password and retype new password again. After that, continue to tap on change password. That's it. You have successfully changed your password on Facebook. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.